Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the December Petit Vour box. And you may be thinking, this doesn't look like a regular Petit Vour box, and you're right. They seem to have done some sort of rebrand with the Petit Vour box. And as much as I love pink, as we can tell from the fact that I always make my thumbnails pink, I really like the design of this new box. I think it looks really luxe and really nice, so I was excited to see this. Also, I was excited to get this box because it came really late for me this month, and I'm so grateful for being an affiliate for Petit Vour and being sent the box each month. But as a YouTuber, it can be really difficult for me if I don't get boxes ahead of time, because then I'm scrambling at the last minute to film and post and edit, and it's just a lot. So, that being said, if you're seeing this video before January, it basically means I managed to not only film this video, but get 2 videos edited in one day because I'm leaving for a vacation tomorrow. I was not expecting to be filming this right now, but it arrived and I am filming. I know you guys love seeing my review of the Petit Vour box, and I want to get it up for you as soon as possible, so I'm going to try and keep things as short and sweet as possible for the sake of my editing self. But the Petit Vour box is a cruelty-free vegan and non-toxic beauty subscription box. You get a whole range of different products ranging from hair care, skincare, body care, makeup, really anything you can imagine could come in this box, and it's at a really great price. I also have a discount if you want to sign up for 3 months of the subscription box. You can use the code FIRSTBOX to get 25% off your first box in your 3-month subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into this month's box. Also, we're gonna ignore my hair, which has a ton of static right now. But for the first product we got in the December box is this one from Kani Botanicals. This is their Vamp Lip Plus Cheek Tint and Balm. I've been wanting to try this out for a while, so I was really excited to see this. I have one of the Kani Botanicals highlighters and I really like it, so I'm excited to try this out. The packaging on this lip and cheek tint is the exact same as the highlighter, which makes sense. And the shade Vamp is this really pretty kind of reddy, I guess red kind of berry color. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of it to my cheeks and also to my lips. Probably do my lips first so we can figure out how pigmented it is before I end up looking like a clown by putting too much on my cheeks. I also threw on a bit of the highlighter for good measure because it's just so pretty. On first use of the lip and cheek, I'm totally in love. Like, this is such a beautiful lip color, and it is perfect for the holidays. And I really like that the blush just gave this really gentle light flush. You could definitely build it up. I went pretty light because, as I could see when I was applying it on my lips, it definitely is a more pigmented product. But that's really nice because it means that if you have a deeper skin tone, you can really build up the color and actually get the color to show up on your cheeks. So I really like this product. When I had first read about it, I'd had really high hopes for it. And now that I've tried it, I totally am a fan. Even though I've only tried it once, I may be throwing it in my travel makeup and bringing it with me just because this color is so perfect for the holidays, and I have a feeling that this is probably going to stain and stay on my lips pretty well. Obviously, I will find out and let you guys know, but so far, so good on that. And the value of that product is $28, so it already is more than the box cost, so excellent product. If you guys are getting the box, I'm really excited for you guys to try it out because you know how much I love a good cream product. And this is truly a product that actually works on your lips and your cheeks. I typically find these multi-use products either work well in one application or the other. I could get the color built up on my lips, but I could also get it sheared out on my cheeks. And I have to say, the formula on my lips is pretty matte. It's not overly slippery. It was a little slippery when I was putting it on because I had a lip balm on underneath it, which is actually the perfect transition for me to move into the next product, which is this lip balm. And that was what I had on my lips prior to applying the Kani Botanicals lip and cheek product. And the lip balm is this natural lip balm from Bali Mama. And I put it back in the box because honestly, the box was so bougie that I needed to show it to you. So, comes in this little sleeve like this, which you slide out, and then you get this box like this, and then you open it up. Like, look at this. Like, look at the way this box is made. It's just beautiful. And then there's a lip balm sitting nested in some tissue paper. I'm totally here for the packaging. I wish this box had come a little bit earlier in the month so I could have recommended this product as a gift, because who wouldn't want to receive a fancy lip balm as a gift? This lip balm is a cinnamon and burnt orange scented lip balm. It's just a fancy lip balm. Like, it's really nice. It's got this kind of applicator where you squeeze it and then the product come out, and then you can, you know, apply it to your lips like you would do with a lip balm. But I was a little bit nervous about this because it does have cinnamon, and I tried this plumping lip gloss from K-Boss that had cinnamon in it. Oh my gosh, it was too much. It really burned my lips. It was too much. And I was a little worried that this was going to be the case with this one, but it really wasn't. You just got the cinnamon scent, but not really a tingling, burning sensation, which I was grateful for. And this lip balm is unique because it's burnt orange and cinnamon, which is not your typical scent profile for a lip balm, but it smells so good. It really smells like the holidays. Like, orange plus cinnamon, like that equals holidays to me. So this is the perfect holiday lip balm. Honestly, mine is so cold right now. I had a hard time squeezing it out, and it actually had to warm up on my lips a little bit, but once it warmed up, it felt so nice because it is freezing. Like, I'm wearing a really thick sweater right now. I woke up this morning and the weather outside was 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Like, it was nice yesterday. I have no idea what happened. 13 degrees Fahrenheit. So our heater's been running all the time. My lips really dry. My nose has been bleeding a bit. It's not been great, but this lip balm definitely made my lips feel really nice. I like the scent of it. I've only tried it once because my box just got here today, but I will definitely be taking this with me to Florida and trying it out some more. So I will let you know when I do my unboxing of the January box how I feel about this. But so far, I'm super impressed. And the value of this lip balm is $26. If you need a last minute gift for someone, this is a great option. We also got in this month's box this Sub Rosa serum from Fifth Dimension. This is an oil serum, and I did try this out. I actually didn't have any makeup on for most of today, and so I did go ahead and apply this and then apply my makeup on top of it. And I'm happy to say that it definitely was moisturizing, but it wasn't heavy. It sunk in well. My makeup applied really well on top of it, which is nice because I have oily skin. I really don't like it when face serums feel heavy and sit on my skin. And this one just absorbed in nicely. It gave my skin a good amount of hydration, but it wasn't too much. So I definitely am looking forward to trying this out some more. It is a nice, convenient travel size, so honestly, I may take this with me when I'm traveling. The value of the serum is $9. Obviously, with skincare products, it's something you have to try out more with time, but my first impression of it was quite good. The only con is this thing has a really strong, I guess it's rose scent. Let me know in the comment section down below if you get this oil, what you think it smells like. The scent is really strong and not my favorite scent. I don't know, is that maybe that's a strong rose scent? I'm not entirely sure what the scent is, but it's not my favorite. So that's a little bit of a con, but the way it applied, the way it absorbed in, the way it made my skin feel was really good. Just not the biggest fan of the scent. And then the final product we got in this month's box seems to be a special Petit Vour kind of like edition of a product, and this is from Highborn, and this is their Defume anointing oil. It's supposed to be a Palo Santo and sandalwood anointing oil. It's supposed to help, what does it say about this? It says it's supposed to cleanse and clear your mind. Basically do what Palo Santo does, but in an oil form. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Not sure this is gonna be my favorite scent of something, but you know, we'll keep an open mind. Yeah, not sure this is my favorite scent. Here, where am I supposed to put this? That's a good question. On my pulse points. Okay, so there's a little card that came with it. That's what I was looking at. You're supposed to take a deep breath and blend into your pulse points. So I'm going to do on my wrist and I guess on the back of my neck as well. I don't do Palo Santo, I don't do any of that, so I don't really know much about it. Teach me in the comment section down below. If you're into this sort of thing, that's cool. And the value of this anointing oil is $7. So what that means is that the overall value of the box this month is $70, which is kind of crazy considering, depending on what subscription you sign up for, it costs around $18. And yeah, you get $70 worth of product, and it's definitely worth it just for the lip and cheek tint and the lip balm alone. Overall, I am quite happy with this month's box. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you my review of the November, right? Yes, November Petit Vour box. I don't even know what month I'm in anymore. It's been a crazy couple weeks. Okay, so moving on to the November Petit Vour box, one of the products we got was this Leilani Bless Beauty Balm. I have been really enjoying this. It's got such a, I do like the scent of it. At first I wasn't as sure about the scent of it, but I'm warming up to it. It's Leilani. I really love Leilani's products, but I have been really enjoying this. It's nice and moisturizing for my skin, but not too heavy. Also, I really am appreciating that it's a solid form as well. It's perfect for me to travel with. So I will definitely be finishing this off. It'll be coming along with me on some of my travels, possibly down to Florida, but I really am enjoying this product. Let me know in the comment section down below if sometime in 2020, probably a few months out because I have a lot of skincare, if you would like me to do kind of a brand overview of Leilani skincare. I've got a couple products from her, and honestly I just really like her products and I'm interested in trying out more from her. So if you'd like to see that, let me know in the comment section down below, and then I would have a reason to purchase more products from Leilani, which, you know, I just need a little reason. I really actually need to repurchase some mermaid mask. It's not vegan because it contains honey, but it is by far the best mask I've ever used, and I've been really sad that I've been out of it. Okay, so try not to get sidetracked here. We also got the Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel. I have enjoyed this. I haven't used it as much as I thought I would. I just have been so busy with traveling that I haven't really done much in terms of masking, but it is a really nice chemical exfoliating mask, and one of the things I really like about it is more gentle. It's not as strong as some of the other ones. So especially if this is the sensitive version, but if you do have more sensitive skin, I would recommend checking this out. I really have found the Juice Beauty skincare products to be really great. A little hit or miss on the makeup, but the skincare products have been really good so far. I've heard really awesome things about this product, and I now know why. It is a good product. Okay, we also got the Livido Aromatic Body Lotion, and I have been really enjoying this as well. It absorbs in nicely, it leaves my skin nice and moisturized. I've been using this while I've been traveling because it's a nice little travel size. I definitely have enjoyed this. Would I purchase a full size of it? Not sure, just because I really like the Andalou Naturals body lotion. We actually got that in a Petit Vour box originally, and it's a pretty affordable for the full size of it, so that's really the body lotion that I stick to. But I do like this, and I will enjoy finishing it up. And then the final product we got in the November Petit Vour box was this Josephine Cosmetics eyeliner. And I did try this out some more. I have a few more extended thoughts. It does wear really well. So it doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake. Once I get it on, it's good. It's just hard to apply. There are just easier eyeliners to deal with. And I'm not good at doing eyeliner, and maybe if you're better at it and your eyes aren't as hooded, and basically the geometry of me even trying to do a winged eyeliner is not in my favor. But I just found this to be way more difficult than the Pacifica eyeliner. I also really like the Well People Expressionist eyeliner. Both of those I just find easier to use, especially as a beginner. The tip as well as the actual formula itself are just not as forgiving to work with. But once I get it on, it's gonna stay in place and not, move around on me. So I do appreciate that, but it would definitely not be a product I would purchase again in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Instagram. My handle's at naturallybeautifulgirl for more non-toxic, cruelty-free, and sustainable living content. And also, let me know in the comment section down below, are you getting this one's box? If you do, let me know what you think of the Kani Botanicals lip and cheek product, because I really like it. Also let me know what you think about the Bougie lip balm. Like, that thing is really, really fancy. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again. Bye!